don't know if I'm going to burp yet. I might just hang out here, just to hang out.